we're going live. Hello, we're just testing live from Adere. Live streaming now, and the TCC guys here setting up the fiber optic. Testing the fiber optic. So everyone is still setting up for the agriculture show tomorrow, and we're just testing a little internet connection here. So now TCC is set up right at the corner. Log in our website.
Yeah, you can log in.
Yeah, you can go into YouTube now. It's online. Follow me. Togi lulu takai. Just follow me la to YouTube. Hopefully it'll show up live. Togi lulu siangnya berhai. Iya, lu itu. Oh, makanya. Ako pupuke beagi siangnya signal ko. Everyone is still setting up. Pupuke beagi. Oh, masih telepon dia. Siangnya berhai mama. Every show signal. Man, everyone's still it's too dark. Okay, set up with the have a bowl. Okay, more business. Yeah. So, figure a lot of money. Sorry, it's a bit dark. Need to see.